Hey everybody, this is Carly Cottrell. Today we are in Northern Ireland off the Causeway coast, just outside of the Nook. This used to be a schoolhouse back in the 1850s. And today we have an appointment with a woman named Fiona that's gonna give us the spooky history of the Nook.
This was all built back in 1835. It was built as an old schoolhouse. And it was the founders of Bushmills McNaughton's that helped build this place. And when it was built, it was for all the school children. And then it turned in after that, they built the following school just up here, because this one got too small. After that, then it was a residential, and then it turned into a bar, restaurant. But there's been some strange going on down in the toilets area, because it's downstairs and like in a basement place as well. And it's really eerie. It's really, really strange. It's just down this way here, and it's always in the evening. We have the lights. You could be in here cleaning, and then all the lights will go off, and they just suddenly, it stays off for a while. And sometimes they come in, the doors close over as well, yeah. And especially in the gents' toilets as well. You would get that, and maybe the door jams, or you'd be in here and this door, which is permanently closed, just closes across, and you have the strangest feeling that there's actually someone in here with you. And it's real, and especially the cubicles, you have the feeling that someone has just is already in here.
Yeah.
Or
Is it
standing.
this one?
Yes.
This one?
Yes,
for sure.
Yes, it's that one.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ooh.
And it's so creepy, and
Yeah.
it feels as if someone you're in here brushing.
Yeah, it feels like you can like feel
You
it on
can,
the
you can
back
feel
of
it
your
on your
neck right
back,
here.
yep, as if they're standing here.
Yes.
Even you're standing now, you can feel that tingling.
Yeah.
So it is, and the gents' toilets are the same. It's there's one in there as well, which is really.
Oh my
We'll
gosh.
see if there's anyone in.
Yeah.
So. And it's this. If you can just you can feel it whenever you're in here. So you can. And it's really, really strange feeling that you
It's
get.
like a heavy anxiety.
Yep.
It's like you feel like a butterfly in your
You
chest.
do, and like a real just dullness in your up
Yes. Oh,
So
this
it
is the most bizarre feeling.
It's so strange, and I
Yeah.
thought I was the only person. Like everybody, I just hate it down here. I am
No.
in here so quick and out again. And even one day I was coming up that, and I actually thought someone was coming up the stairs behind me. And I went up that so quickly, and I refused to come back down the rest of the day. It was so, just whenever you're in here, especially on your own, the noises you hear and all too.
Oh my gosh.
It's so, and I know definitely there's something definitely
Right.
here.
Okay, that was definitely crazy. So when we went down into the lower level of the Nook where the toilets were, you could absolutely feel the super creepy, weird energy. You could feel like, it definitely feels like someone is standing behind you. It feels like there's like kind of someone else in the room, and then you turn around and there's not. Not only did Fiona give us the whole history and all of the information about this place, but obviously she knows where all of the ghosts like to hang out. I would give this place an 8 out of 10 creep scale, but a 10 out of 10 food scale, because this was delicious. Highly recommend it. If you are in town, please come to the Nook just outside of the Causeway coast and visit it in Northern Ireland. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.